How Taylor Swift's texts to Blake Lively reveal deepest fears about Travis and details about her exes and her brutal revenge. They were the inseparable A-list pals who shared their most intimate secrets over girly dinners and constant texts. But the friendship between Taylor Swift and Blake Lively is broken beyond repair, and now insiders have laid bare to the Sun the details of the private text messages between them. Taylor's texts to Blake revealed her initial fears about dating superstar Travis Kelce. The allegation, put forward by Justin's lawyer, Brian Friedman, was struck from legal papers by the judge, and Blake's legal team issued a statement which read, "It took the court less than 24 hours to see through Mr. Friedman's irrelevant, improper and inflammatory accusations, strike them, remove them from the court, and warn Mr. Friedman that further misconduct may be met with sanctions." But the row has proved the final straw for Taylor, 35, as the private texts contain sensitive information. The text messages sent between them throughout the years have been about tons of different topics, their ups and downs, views on life and society, an insider close to the singer tells us. But they are also about very private things: their relationships, ex-boyfriends, Taylor's love life, her great moments, but also times where she was hurt and sad, and ed at things in general. There were a lot of heartfelt conversations that have to remain private. It's two friends talking honestly about all kinds of things: society, people, and life in general. Having them out in the open would be like publishing a personal diary. It's very sensitive. Taylor's initial insecurities over her current relationship with NFL legend Travis Kelce also feature in the intimate chats. Taylor shared a lot about her ex-boyfriends, what she thought of them, how she felt about the way they treated her, not always with nice words or being polite, as Taylor uses the F word when she is ed, adds our source. She would also ask Blake for advice about life in general, about being in a relationship with Travis. The epic falling out comes after Taylor was dragged into the legal row between Blake and director Justin Baldoni, who she has accused of sexual harassment on the set of the movie It Ends With Us. In a sensational move, Justin's legal team claimed Blake, 37, had threatened to leak intimate texts from Taylor if she didn't publicly support her in the case.